Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Kenmore washing machine and it's giving you a DE error and you're wondering what is this and how do you get rid of it. DE error stands for door error. So it means that they're sensing some kind of issue with the door. Like it's not latching properly or something like that. So what I would do to fix this, the number one thing is just make sure there's nothing like mechanically preventing things from operating properly. So just I would open it up, make sure everything here is clean on the washing machine, on the door. Get into your locking mechanism, make sure everything in there, there's no debris or gunk or anything in there or like grease that's preventing things, that would be preventing things from just operating properly. Not only operating properly, but also the sensors from sensing they're operating properly. Make sure that everything in there looks like there's not, you don't see anything broken or stuck or anything like that in there. And then also just make sure when you close the door, you're closing it. You're not slamming it, but you're also, giving it like a nice snug close each time you close it. If you're able to do all those things, you should be able to figure out what's going on. If that doesn't fix it, we get into some more complex things, replacing the actual locking mechanism and stuff like that. But just checking that things are physically, mechanically operating properly should be your first step. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.